So, the end of our jungle walk here, and then you get to this beautiful kind of waterfall place along a rickety bridge, of course, a la Indiana Jones. And there's some kind of a civilization walking through all that jungle. No tigers, didn't see any tigers. Oh, and you can go, apparently you can go up and into the trees. I think there's actually apparently a zip lining that you can do here. A rope swing. Trisha and Bennett, there's Trisha down there and Trisha and Bennett walking down there. Yeah. Quite a beautiful little waterfall. It's kind of funny, you walk through all that remoteness and then you get to a little bit of civilization. It almost looks man-made actually. Concrete, I think.
This is for the people on the
How was that, Bennett?
Yeah.
Was that fun?
Elephant swimming down there. If you want to do some zip line, we had a zip line many.
Oh, the zip lining, okay.
They start from here, many.
Okay.
That's
you can do zip line.
When you saw in there, this
okay.
one, one. Into
the zip lining.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
cool. Water is actually not that clean. I don't know if I'm going to be going swimming or not. Anyways, end of the jungle walk.